Hello and welcome to our pilot plant. We are in the area where we make all types of yogurt, set, stirred, drinking yogurts, but also yogurt smooth and thermized yogurts. As we are experts in milk proteins and also in yogurt application, we can develop specific recipes and adapt them to meet the customer's requirements. We work on innovation to match the market trends. At the moment, we are working on high-protein yogurts, which is a big trend. We have unique proteins to bring the right texture, like creaminess, mouthfeel, and they allow to make healthy yogurts with a low-fat content, but with a creamy texture. Last year, we developed a new protein called ProMilk Yolk Freed to produce high-protein drinking yogurts with a free texture and a milky taste. Now you will see how to produce the various yogurts.